So that light on means pallet 1, pallet 2, pallet 1 and pallet 2. So these pallets will be controlled going to data bank. From here you need this screen, which is the quick table. So if you're in, for example, switch 1, you're just looking for quick table, and that tells you which pallets you're running. So 1001 is pallet 1 and 1002 is pallet 2, and we just set them, and depending on what they're set on, that's what we'll run here. And then to cycle start, you don't press the green start button, you press the pallet start button, which will start it going, and then it will pick out whichever pallet you told it to machine, and it'll run it.